everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the difference between B and P sound. Without further ado, let's dive into it. The consonant sounds B and P are both made by putting our two lips together and then opening them to release a small puff of air. So what's the difference between them if we make this sound the same way? The difference is not what we do with our mouth, but what we do with our voice. When we make a P sound, we do not use voice. The sound is quiet. Put your hand on your throat and make the sound P. You should not feel any movement in your throat. However, when we make a B sound, we do use our voice. Now put your hand on your throat and make a B sound. Can you feel the vibrations? B, 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 B. Can you feel the vibrations? Another way to help you learn the difference between these two sounds is that P, the voiceless sound, B, the voiced sound. Now put your paper in front of your mouth and make the P sound. You feel the big puff of air. Put your paper in front of your mouth again and make the B sound. You should feel only a little puff of air. B, B, B. B, B. Let's practice pronouncing words of these sounds. Pear, pear, bear, bear, rope, 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 rope.
That's all for today. I hope you guys feel this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos about English in the future. Thanks for watching.